With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, let's discuss this question. Correct sequences of male accessory glands pouring their secretions into urethra. So in this question, 4 options are given and we have to choose the correct sequence of male accessory gland on the basis of their maximum amount of secretions in urethra. So let's discuss. The 3 male accessory glands are seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and the third one is bulbourethral gland. Now, what happens that in human males, semen is produced, which is a combination of secretions from all these male accessory glands, and each fraction differs in chemical composition and function. So if we talk about the composition of each of these glands, they are about seminal vesicle secretes 1.5 to 2 ml, that is 50 to 70% of the semen, and prostate gland secretes about 0.6 to 0.9 milliliter, which is equivalent to 15 to 25% of the semen in human male. And the third, that is bulbourethral gland, they secrete less than 0.15 milliliter, which is approximately less than or equal to 5%. So we can say that the correct sequence of these glands in order of their pouring their secretions into urethra will be seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and bulbourethral gland. So if we discuss the options, first option is prostate, seminal vesicle, and bulbourethral gland, which is wrong. Second option is seminal vesicle, prostate, and bulbourethral gland, which is correct. Third option is bulbourethral gland, prostate, and seminal vesicle, which is again wrong. And the last option is prostate, bulbourethral gland, and seminal vesicle, which is again incorrect. So the answer of this question will be B. Thank you, students.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.